So you just want to water the garden, you want to shut off your hot water tank, something, and your handles look like this. They're either missing, they're broken, they're corroded, falling apart. You don't want to cut your hands, and then you find yourself doing this to turn it on and off, and it's really quite annoying, right? DIY Mike here, where I show you how to do it yourself and save some money. I've been in the residential maintenance industry for about 20 years. This is what mine looked like. The handle was corroded and missing. Now you see these little notches right here. I want to explain these to you. There are 12 and 16 point handles, okay? And if you look inside my handle right here, you'll be able to see that the inside of my handle was corroded away and stripped out. So what do you do in this situation? You go to the hardware store, you look for handles, see that says universal handle on the left, valve handle, but there's no real true universal handle. Except I found one accidentally, and here it is. It's called the mandle. It goes over any stem. Notice that it's 3.5 inches wide, and it goes over stems in 3/8 inches diameter. Now, the mandle is not going to corrode. The inner ring right here, this inner ring is made out of nickel-plated brass, okay? And these screws that you see right here are made out of stainless steel so that they do not corrode. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this on and where to get one. You take it and you place it over the stem like so, and lightly tighten these down by hand, okay? And you take your Allen wrench, give each one about 1/8 of a turn. Don't over tighten. There's no reason to crush this thing, no reason to put it on too tight. I mean, we just want functionality here so we can turn the water on and off. And this will work for hot water tank valves, your main shutoff valve in your house, this hose obviously, washing machine shutoff valves, whatever type of water valve that it will fit into or over, and not impede you being able to turn the water on or off easily. All right. So I think I've got that tight enough. Didn't over tighten. Oh, look at that, man. And it looks like I've got another leaky issue going on, but I will address that. That's going to be a separate video. Man, that's easy. Easy on and off. What do you guys think? Isn't that awesome? It's freaking great. These seals are bad though. Oh. So you can find the link for the mandle in the description in the video below. It will take you to my Amazon store, which is currently attached to my live streaming gaming channel. I will have a DIY mic store once I reach the proper subscriber level here on this channel. Be sure to tune in for future videos. I'm going to start publishing a lot more, and I look forward to seeing you and reading your comments in the comment section below. Thanks a lot, guys. You have a great day. Bye-bye.